Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420D MSPORT Coupe here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. We're then going to make our way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle. Once there, we'll of course go through some of the interior features and options. Starting with that exterior, we have the exquisite Alpine White, and of course we've also finished the exterior off with the For Your Next Car Mperformance Body Styling Kit. Alongside that, we've just fitted the brand new M4 style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. You'll see they look extremely nice in the bi-orbit high gloss black. And at the front of the car, you'll notice it is a 2016 66 reg, and we've got the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, we've got the high gloss black air breathers. We've also got privacy glass, satin side vinyls, and the satin side bars, and of course Mperformance decals. Colour combination on this vehicle is the Alpine White and Red Dakota Leather, one that is always a very popular and particularly nice one. So we'll go ahead and take a quick glance at those very nice Red Dakota Leather seats. In the front, you not only get the electric lumbar adjustment, they are also heated in the front. Interior trim, you get the aluminum silver and high gloss black option. Rear seats in the 4 Series Coupe, you get a very spacious rear bench that comes equipped with ISOFIX points, centre folding armrest and the centre storage tray, and a lovely black headlining as well. Moving on towards the rear of the car now. Once again, we'll just take a look at those stunning 20-inch M4 style alloy wheels. Normally we do offer the competition style alloy wheels which come off the M4 or M3s, however we've gone for the regular M4 style alloy wheels, and they sit really nicely on this Alpine White and of course the 4 Series Coupe body itself. At the rear of the car you'll find the satin rear diffuser, high gloss black rear spoiler, and of course I'll go ahead and open that up for you to allow you just to see how much boot space you do get on the 4 Series Coupe. And this of course can be made even larger thanks to the fact you do get the split folding seat function, and it is one of the largest boot capacities in its class. Moving on to the other side now, where once again we'll just take a minute to see how well these two colours do work together. No matter what sort of light it in, whether it be in direct sunlight or inside in here where we are a little bit shaded away, it is a fantastic colour combination and one to be definitely admired from any angle, and especially with these nice alloy wheels. So we'll go ahead now, make our way on inside the car, where of course I will be able to give you a bit more of an in-depth look at some of the features of the vehicle. First thing we'll notice is the professional wide navigation and media screen. That comes equipped with DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Of course satellite navigation, Bluetooth for not only audio as well as telephone of course. And if we scroll across to My Vehicle, have a look at the vehicle's service requirements, you will see everything is currently in the green and the vehicle is not due a service for 17,000 miles. Going up to the service history, you can see the vehicle was very recently serviced at 33,921, where it had a major service including all of the filters. We've also got dual climate control, and this is also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats for both passengers and drivers. Alongside that, this vehicle has the 8-speed Sports Auto, which is why we have these lovely flappy pedals which you'll find on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, and the vehicle has only just covered 36,492. Okay, so that will finish off our walk around for the very nice Alpine White 420D. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to drop them below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them as soon as possible. And of course there will be a link to the website where of course you can find all the relevant information regarding the prices and finance options for this car, and of course all of our other wonderful wide array of fantastic BMWs. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.